Did you know that if you have dry mouth, snore, or wake up randomly in the middle of the night, chances are it's because you breathe out of your mouth when you sleep. And the reason you do so is because you haven't trained your mouth to stay closed during that state of altered consciousness. It can also lead to facial development issues, which, trust me, you don't want. So if you have those problems and or want to prevent them, these are mouth strips, mouth, and nasal tape. There's 30 pieces of each, so you get a month's supply, and they're really easy to get used to. The mouth strips are going to make sure that your mouth doesn't gape open while you're sleeping, and the nasal strips are going to expand your airways, making it easier to breathe. Put these on every night and you're going to notice you're sleeping better, not snoring anymore. Your jawline is going to start coming back together and your mouth is going to stop feeling like the Sahara Desert when you wake up. I'm leaving a link right here for you, so go try it for yourself.